So similarly, you can go ahead and calculate the payments for financing a car, and that costs $20,000, and completing the rest as an activity. Alright, let's go and have a look at another example. Suppose we are looking at buying houses. For example, if we are buying a house in Fiji, and let's say in the Nakasi area, the price of the house is $300,000. Now let's calculate the payment for 30 years at 6%. So using the payment function equals PMT, and the arguments, the rate is 6%, so 6% per annum, payment to be 12, and number of payments will make 30 years, so 30 times 12, 30 times 12 is 360 payments. Present value is 300,000. Future value will be 0, and we are paying at the beginning of the month, so select 1. So notice that this will be the monthly repayment. How much did you really pay for the house after 30 years? So monthly payment times 12 times 30. So here I'll just refer to this particular cell by typing equals, clicking in the cell D9, times 12 times 30. So this is the amount that we actually paid over the 30 years. So the house was worth 300,000, but since we are also paying interest, now altogether we are paying $644,293.10. How much interest did you pay? So total cost with interest, that is $644,293.10 minus 300,000. So typing in equals before that, now that's the amount that we paid as extra. Now for an activity, you can try to do the next one and find out the amount we have paid. Total cost after 30 years was, so total cost after 30 years was 644,000. So just to refer to that cell, I'll just type equals and click in the cell, press enter. So automatically it reads the value from the cell on top. Alright, you can try the next one as an activity. Now let's go ahead and look at the next worksheet. Now in this case, we are to use the list below to find a car that we like and how much it costs. Right, car name, do not type the name of the car, instead use the equal symbol and the cell name that has the name of the car. So let's say I would like to choose the Ford car, so I'll just type equals on the keyboard and select this cell and press enter. So automatically this value gets filled in the car name B9 cell. Cost of the car. Now suppose I click on this link and it will take me to the website for Ford cars, and we'll try to find out how much a Ford car costs. Now looking at the prices, okay, for a Ford Fiesta, so let's go for this 2019 Fiesta, cost 14,260. So I'll just type 14,260. Alright, now car cost, just type equals and click in this cell, press enter. So automatically this value gets linked from the cell B16 to cell A32. Interest rate is 6%, 36 payments to be made, and how much will be the payment. Alright, so now let's calculate the payment using the payment function and the details provided here. Using the insert command, insert function, insert payment, the rate is 6%, so I'll type 6% divide by 12. Number of payments, there will be 36 payments for 3 years. Present value is 14,260. Future value, we will owe $0 after the final payment, and payment is made at the beginning of the month. Select OK. Notice that the payment has been calculated here. Alright, so now you can practice the same with the other cells and find out the payments for the cars for the same value, 14,260. Alright, I can use a fill handle to copy. Well, it does not copy in this case, so what we'll do is we'll just directly read the values from here by selecting enter, by clicking equals and the value in that cell, again by clicking equals and the value in the cell, click enter, equals B16, enter, equals B16.